Hello students. Our today's topic is understanding elementary shapes. Under this section, we will study first of all the quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? A polygon with four sides is called a quadrilateral. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB, BC, CD and AD are four sides. Angle ABC, angle BCD, angle CDA and angle BAD are four angles of this quadrilateral, and A, B, C and D, this is A, B, C, D are four vertices. Now different types of quadrilaterals. First one is rectangle. A quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and each angle is a right angle is called a rectangle. A, B, C, D is a rectangle in which side AB is equal to side DC and side AD is equal to side BC, and all the four angles are right angles. Also, diagonals of a rectangle are equal. Now, square. A quadrilateral in which all the four sides are equal and all the four angles are right angles is called a square. Here A, B, C, D is a square in which side AB, side BC, side CD and side AD are equal and angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D, each one is right angle.
Action.
The next one is parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal is called a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, here opposite sides AB and DC are parallel and second pair is AD parallel to BC, angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D, and diagonals of the parallelogram, diagonal AC and diagonal BD are not equal but they bisect each other. The next one is rhombus, a quadrilateral in which all the four sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Also opposite angles are equal is called rhombus. In this figure, all the four sides, side AB equal to side BC equal to CD equal to AD, opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal. The diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Diagonal AC and diagonal BD are perpendicular to each other. Now trapezium, a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel is called a trapezium. This is the figure of trapezium in which side AB is parallel to side DC and the second pair of side is non-parallel. Now polygon, a closed figure made up of line segments only is called a polygon. Here are some polygons. These are closed figure made up of line segments only. Now here are some of the polygons with different number of sides. Number of sides are here, then the name of the polygon and the figure of the polygon. The first one is with minimum number of sides, that is 3. The name of polygon is triangle, and this is the figure of the triangle. Now with 4 sides, the polygon is quadrilateral looking this shape. Then with 5 sides, the polygon is pentagon. Here this is pentagon. Now with 6 sides, this is hexagon. Now with 8 sides, octagon. These are different polygons with different number of sides. You can make a polygon with given number of sides. Now 3-dimensional shapes, or you can call them solid shapes. A object having length, breadth and height are called 3-dimensional shapes or solid shapes. These are some figures of solid shapes. This is sphere, this is cone, and this one is cylinder. Examples of 3-dimensional shapes are dice, shoes box, brick, ice cream cone, etc. Students, you can find a variety of 3-dimensional shapes around you. Now, 3-dimensional shapes have faces, edges and vertices. Now, what is face? The face is the surface of the object. In this figure, this is the face. Now, where 2 faces join each other is an edge. Where 2 faces join is an edge, and where 3 or more edges join is called the vertex. This point is vertex here. Now here are some 3-dimensional shapes. This is prism, pyramid, cylinder and sphere. Students, you can count the number of faces, edges and vertices of a 3-dimensional shapes. Now in your textbook at page number 110 of NCERT book for 6th class, you can count and fill the number of faces, edges and vertices of these given solids in the blanks given here. Here are some 3-dimensional shapes. So you count and write the number of faces, edges and vertices in this sheet. Thanks.